बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning seashell craft ideas. These are very stunning and very beautiful collection for you guys. You guys make these seashell craft ideas at home very easily. If you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very pretty and very attractive. Seashell craft ideas for you guys. These are super stunning and very beautiful seashell centerpieces ideas. You can decorate your homes with these craft work. Hope so guys who like these craft ideas. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are amazing and unique craft work for you guys. So guys, I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel. and for watching my videos. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. And also hit the like button and share this video with your for more updates and for more collection. Take care. Allah Hafiz, guys.